It's been plenty of cold over the past couple of days, but we don't have much to show for it in the record books. Here's a look at our low temperatures on Tuesday. This is 15 to 20 degrees below average for this time of the year, but is still not even close to our record low temperatures for the date here that were all below zero. We go to Wednesday's observed lows, and it was the same story, 15 to 20 degrees below average, but we didn't get close to those record low temperatures where in this case was all set back in 1984. The only temperature record that was set was in Estelle Manor, where Tuesday's high temperature of 20 degrees tied the record of 20 degrees. But other than that, we went record free. So why is this? Well, in a climate changing world, we still get cold, but to get that exceptional cold, it's just harder and harder to come by. Here's a look at our departure from average temperatures. We were anywhere between 10 to 18 degrees below average when it came to our temperatures, both the high and lows, on Tuesday and Wednesday here. But now let's take a look at the Climate Shift Index, which is a tool from Climate Central, a nonprofit group in Princeton, New Jersey, showing what the likelihood of these temperatures are with and without greenhouse gas emissions. And you take a look at the 21st to the 22nd, and in this area where you see the lighter gray, these kind of temperatures are 1.5 times less likely to happen in this climate changing world that we see. And that darker gray, it's 2 times less likely to happen. In other words, think about a 6-sided die. Sure, you could still roll a low number if you replace a 1 with a 6, but it's going to be harder to get to those 2s, and it's going to be impossible to get to those 1s. And that's kind of what we've been seeing over the past couple of decades. It still gets cold. We're still seeing the Delaware Bay freeze over and the back bays. But to get that exceptional cold, well, that just becomes harder and harder to get. And we look at across the globe, it's really the eastern United States and eastern Canada that has seen this exceptional cold, joining a few other areas across the globe, like parts of Siberia, as well as parts of South Africa. But for the rest of the planet, we see a lot more reds than purples on this map.